affiliate ng Belo Clinic kagabi. Kasama din niya ang kanyang mga anak na sina Direk White at Cristal, kapatid at ang ex-husband na si Atom Henares. Wala sa mukha ni Dr. Vicky ang hinagpis niya sa sex video scandal na nag-ugat sa palihim na pagkuha ni Hayden Ko ang kanyang pakikipagtalik sa iba't ibang partner.
Chris and Court have been the most supportive people. I know they're having such a hard time, but it's wonderful. It's brought our family closer together, including with Atom, who's always here. My brother Jerry is also here to support. So there's been so many blessings coming from it. You really know who your friends are when the chips are down.
Malaking issue lang na si Katrina Halili ang isa sa mga napiling endorsers ng Flawless. Pero ayon kay Dr. Vicky, decision na ito ng kanyang business partner.
It's a personal thing that I have with Katrina, so I don't think it should affect Flawless if they feel that Katrina can help them. Trying very hard to forgive everybody and trying hard to be objective and try to separate my personal feelings from work.
Nalaman naman ng SNN, ito na ang una at huling kontrata ni Katrina sa skin clinic. Pinakalayunin naman ni Vicky sa puntong ito na panagutin ang nagpakalat ng sex video ni Hayden at kanyang mga nakatalik. Kabilang na si Dr. Vicky.
We're all victims. Actually, everybody and everything is a victim, I think. Diba? Everyone. Because nobody wanted this to happen, I'm sure. Okay, you answer pala.
Because the real, kung may bad guy dito, yung nagre-release ng videos. And like we said, once we find out who you are, we are gonna run after you. You will pay for this.
Naninindigan naman si Dr. Vicky Bello sa mga aral na dapat daw matutunan mula sa eskandalo. Hindi patungkol sa kanya, kundi sa mga babaeng naugnay daw sa boyfriend niya si Dr. Hayden Ko.
It's been a horrible, horrible experience. Of all the trials I've been through, this is probably the worst. But, always trying to see a silver lining. I keep trying to see the purpose behind it. And I think maybe the purpose behind it is for laws to finally be passed against things like this. Diba? And for women to realize, that they have to be careful. And for women to realize that if somebody has a girlfriend, you shouldn't go in there and try to steal it.
I did not advise her to say that.
Eto si Mari Dumawal para sa SNN Showbiz News ngayon.
Mga anak ni Vicky na sina Direk Quark at Cristal Henares nagsalita na. Hinarap ng dalawang SNN sa intrigang pati ang kanilang ina. Sabit sa sex scandal na ito.
Thank you.
Ang mga anak ni Dr. Vicky na sina Cristal at Quark hindi na nakaligtas sa press. Lalo na't naging aminado sila na hindi na sila boto kay Hayden para sa kanilang ina. Umpisa pa lang ng relasyon nito. Pero sa kabila ng kontrobersiya, hindi raw nila iiwan ang kanilang ina.
We just tell her that we love her every night. We give her hugs. And
How about you? No matter what happens, we love her. And we're there to support her. That when all is said and done, I mean, alam naman natin lahat na magiging na to, parang laos na to. But then, all throughout, we're here for you. That's the best you can do.
Quark, are you ready? Meron din lalabas na sex video ang mami mo tsaka sa kanya.
Parang we're very scared. We're very scared, of course. I pray every day na
Nawag lumabas.
of course. Scared.
But your mom has nothing ba? Or?
No. I mean, kung nakita man niya yun, it would have been destroyed. I don't know if anyone else has it, diba? I mean, I'm just being very honest and candid here.
What if lumabas? Do you want to hide it or whatever?
I will do, since I'm not on the video, I will do whatever my mom thinks best, and I will support whatever.
Does it lessen yung pagmamahal at respeto niyo kay mama?
It actually strengthens seeing her weather through this.
How do you feel kasi after all these years, your mom's still behind Hayden, but she's still supporting Hayden?
Alam mo, parang yung love, walang rules naman talaga yun eh. I mean, whether or not people are for it or against it just strengthens my conviction na mahal niya talaga si Hayden after everything that's happened, after everyone's telling her not to. To be totally honest, we've had our, alam mo naman yan eh, even during the relationship. But, she decided to follow her heart, and because we love her more than anything.
Aren't you afraid of anything that might come out after tonight?
no matter what happens, that will not change my respect. The respect and the love that I have for her.
How about your dad? Anong reaction niya?
Nandiyan din siya. Sobrang supportive. Actually, siya yung nag-pull together ng buong family.
But you and Ford, how do you feel about Hayden now?
Mag-uwi na yun. Sige, bye guys!
Hiningi rin ang reaksyon ni na Crystal at Quark sa paglabas sa telebisyon ni Hayden last week para humingi ng tawad.
I'm so sorry.
Actually, hindi pa ako nakakanood ng TV or ano, so hindi ko alam. Talaga?
Crystal, you have any message?
Okay.
Yeah, sure, sa memoirs.
Okay ba sa'yo? Okay yung pagawa niya?
Ha? Actually, di ko rin napapanood eh. Hindi mo naman. Parang, okay naman. You know, I mean, it's a man sa scene in, you know, parang in the act. So, parang talk is cheap naman eh, di ba? Alam naman natin yun. Di ba? So, ha? Alam natin yun, dude. So we'll see. We'll see. And, I mean, if you're true to your word, we'll see.
Bago bumalik si Hayden sa bahay, aalis ka.
Ano, siguro,
Bumalik. Hindi, never naman siya.
Hindi na babalik.
Never that one. Never naman.
So, ano, siguro gagawa kami ng video. Ako na mag-video. Kasi,
Bakit? More ba yung direction?
ha? Hindi, parang ano, yung focus, medyo mabilis.
Yung tema hindi maganda.